All right, fundamentals. We're going to talk about half steps and whole steps. Okay, we're going to talk about half steps and whole steps, minor seconds and major seconds. Half steps, minor seconds, whole steps, major seconds. Let's start here. The tiniest space you can go between two notes on a Western keyboard is a half step. So any tiny space, any tiny half step or minor second is like this, or like this, or like this, or like this. These are all what we call minor seconds or half steps. It's the smallest space you can go between two notes. So A to B flat is a minor second. B to A sharp is a minor second. Okay, B to C is a minor second. C to D flat is a minor second, also known as a half step. Now, if I were to go C to C sharp, which is the same sound, but if I call this C and I call this C sharp, we have an augmented unison. Which doesn't make any sense at all. But because you're using the same note name, C to C sharp, it's not a second because we call it a second when we go from C to some sort of D. And that gets us into major seconds or whole steps. Okay? A whole step is two half steps. C to D. That's a whole step. Okay? C sharp to D sharp is also a whole step and a major second. Okay? E flat to F, major second, whole step. Okay? Now, how do I do this? If I go C flat to C sharp, that is no longer a major second because you've used the same note name. I think that would be a double augmented unison, I think. But let's not worry about that right now, okay? If I go D to D flat, that's not necessarily a minor second. And if I go from D down to C, that's a major second, okay? D to E, whole step. E to F sharp, whole step, major second. Those two are the same things, okay? F sharp to G sharp, whole step, major second. F sharp to G, minor second, half step. That minor second half step always has a good amount of tension between those two, right? There's a lot of sound waves are going, yeah. Okay, so G to G flat, down a half step. G to G flat, down a half step. G to F sharp, down a minor second. Okay, all right. Happy intervaling. Oh yeah, and